Caroline Leaf is a Christian neuroscientist. Anybody here having heard of her before? Her work was really helpful to me. I did a couple of Bible studies with her stuff. She talks about toxic thinking. And this is what I realized as I'm trying to transition out of Mormonism. Every lie that I believed, like I had to go to the temple in order to earn eternal life, or a priesthood holder had to resurrect me from the dead, or, whatever the lie is. I believe that lie sets up a stronghold, and that stronghold isn't just spiritual, it's physical. So as a neuroscientist, she talks about how, say you're a smoker, your brain's constantly going, ooh, I need to smoke. Oh, I need a cigarette. Okay, I need a cigarette. You've got these dendrites that go this direction that just keep making you think that thought. Now, if I want to break my smoking habit, it's going to be really hard because those dendrites just keep going back that direction. If I want to quit smoking, I'm going to have to train that thinking another direction. Well, what trains that thinking? What retrains thinking? What renews your mind? Truth. That's it. That's the only thing. Otherwise, your thinking's going to go back that stinking way even 50 years later. Unless you replace that stinking, toxic thinking with truth. And this is where you get it. And you have to read it over and over, and you might have to memorize it over and over. And so our kids' ministry, Adams Road, takes the Bible and puts it to music. That's all they do. They have 10 albums. It's like 80% Bible put to music. And they kind of pick on purpose the Bible that separates performance-based religion from grace. And when I got saved, I would listen to an Adams Road song for the 50th time and go, oh, I get it! But at some point, you do have to do a sorting process. 2 years for me to understand grace, sitting in a Nazarene church one day. Oh, I get it, And then how long? Oh, there's no pre-existence. God formed me in the womb? Are you kidding me? It really takes a while. And yes, you do have to kind of do the not and the yes. Your stinking thinking is so toxic and it's so dug in that it's likely to take a while to retrain your brain. So her work helped me know that I needed to be patient, I needed to be repetitive, I needed to not give up, that kind of stuff. It's not like God can't heal somebody in an instant. He certainly can, and he certainly does sometimes. But see how much more you know if you had to work 5 years? Item by item by item to learn that stuff. And then you have something to offer.